This 2023 Newmar Dutch Star 4325 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Bayshore Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, stove-top burner, external shower, leveling jacks, awning, slide-out, TV antenna, self-contained, air conditioning, TV, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Dutch Star 4325 is built on a Spartan K2 chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 450 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.